Please all participants launch Jupyter page and type done within Zoom chat. Your page name is Python 18. So here is the Python 18 and Python 18 page. In our last class, we have done work on descriptive statistics in Python. Today our topic is t-test and ANOVA. First I will explain and guide you, and then I will give you time for practice. So please all participants first understand, and then I will give you time for practice. So first step is today our task is, the first step is define your task. Our task is t-test in Python. So when you want to perform any statistical analysis in Python or in R, 4 questions should be arise in your mind. Question number 1. What is descriptive statistics? Question number 2. Types of descriptive statistics. Question number 3. Why do we perform, not descriptive statistics, t-test? Because our task is t-test. So first question is t-test. Second question is type of t-test. And third question is why do we perform t-test? And last question, how to arrange data for t-test. So we need to ask these questions from ChatGPT. You can also find from Google or any other sources, but ChatGPT is the best and latest tools which we can use for getting these answer of these questions. So first copy 3 questions. Copy. You need to copy, just select and press Ctrl C. It will copy your selected part and open ChatGPT. Open new chat. And send this message to ChatGPT. It is showing me all answer. The first answer is for what is a t-test? Is the definition of t-test. A t-test is the statistical hypothesis test used to determine whether there is a significant difference between the mean of two groups. So it is very important point, mean of two group. If you have more than two group, then you are unable to perform t-test on your data set. Okay, now I am sending this information with you. All participant read and then let me know. I will ask questions from you from this information. I have sent this within group. All please read and then type done within Zoom chat. Then I will move to next step. All participants please read this information, complete information, and type done within Zoom chat. Now I am waiting for your reply. Okay, only one participant have typed done. Please let me know. All have read. If yes, please confirm so that I move to next step. User Rajab and Zarwasam, please confirm. Okay, thank you. Now, next step is the generate sample data. So, what is t-test? Actually, t-test is a hypothesis test which will give you answer about your hypothesis. Your hypothesis is correct. Your hypothesis is pass or fail. Your hypothesis is accepted or rejected. And also show significant difference between two groups. It is based on t-distributions. So, but important thing is it will tell you the significant difference between the mean of two groups. If you have more than two groups, for example, if you have a data set, one group is A, other is B, you can apply t-test to compare both group. But if you have another group C, then you need to compare group A, group B, and group C, and group C, and group A. So you are unable to perform t-test here. You need to perform ANOVA. So ANOVA and t-test almost same. In their purpose or their objectives are almost same, but we need two group for ANOVA and we need three or more group for, we need two group for t-test and we need three or more group for ANOVA. So there are three types of t-test. One is one sample t-test, independent sample, I mean two sample t-test, and paired sample t-test. One sample t-test, you only have one sample. And you will compare this one sample with already published value. Two sample t-test, you have two sample, group A and group B. In one sample, you only have group A and you want to compare it with already published value. For example, the average age of human is 60 years. You find the age of group A and compare with 60 years. It is one sample t-test. Two sample t-test, you have two group A, group B. Paired sample t-test. If you have a data in paired form, yes or no, presence or absence, before and after. If you have data set like this, you can apply pair independent test. For example, you are measuring blood pressure of a patient. You will find blood pressure before and after medicine, before and after uh, meal, or before and after breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So before and after, if you have this type of data set before and after, then you apply paired sample t-test. Now we need a sample data for each type of t-test. So I will type a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. No, I need. Thanks. No, I need sample data table for each type of t-test and send message. Now here is the sample data for one sample t-test. We have only one sample student ID and we want to compare it with already published value, which is 50 score. 50 score is the average value and we want to compare with average value. Other is two independent two sample t-test. We have two group. One is male and other is female group. And we want to compare the score of male and female groups. Paired sample t-test, you have data set like before and after. Before treatment, after treatment, we compare measurements from the same group before and after treatment. So there are three different types of data set. Once for one sample data set, there is the average value. Other side is two group, male and female. And third is treatment data, before and after data. So if you have this type of data set, you need to apply paired t-test. If you have this type of data set, you need to apply two sample t-test. And if you have this type of data set, you need to apply one sample t-test. No, I need this file in Excel sheet. I will write a message to ChatGPT. Thanks. No, I need this data in Excel sheet and send. ChatGPT working is based on Python coding. So here is the ready to use Excel file. Click on download button and open your working directory folder, batch 18, Python batch 18. Open and change its name, just give RT test. The short name is good for your file, t-test, and save. I am sending this file within group so that all participants can use this file for practice. Now please all participants download this file, save in your working directory and type done within Zoom chat. Now we will work together from this stage. All participants download this file and save within your working directory folder. Now it is found in my home tab. Here is Python 19. I need Python 18. Yes, here is the t-test.xls. So please all participants open, save this file within your working directory and type done within Zoom chat. I have done this step, so going to type done. All participants, you also type done if you have saved. Now I'm waiting for your response. Now we have a file and we want to perform one sample t-test, two sample t-test, and paired sample t-test because we have three files in our Excel sheet. I also want to show you Excel sheet. There is Excel sheet. You can check this Excel sheet file have three sheets. The name of sheet number 1 is one sample, independent t-test, and paired t-test. This is for one sample t-test. This file is for two sample t-test, and this file is for paired sample t-test. Now our task is one sample t-test, one sample, two sample, and paired t-test. So first we need file. Now in our 2D file we have multiple sheets. Now how to import sheets in Jupyter or Python. So first we need to import our Rajab Khan, just copy and paste within your working directory folder. Now next step is import. So to import we need a Panda package. So import pandas as PD and run. Next step, write script PD dot read underscore Excel bracket open and type your file name. Now file name is you can check from your folder. File name is T capital and also T capital T test T test dot XLS X inverted comma close bracket close and run. It is showing me error. Sorry, spelling mistake. T test. No, there is a file for one sample T test. Please all participants import this file and type done. I am waiting for your reply. Import and type done. Okay, now next step is take its str, print, bracket. Okay, sorry, before take its str, you need to apply coding or give a name. Equal sign. Now your file name is t-test, so you can give t test name to this script and run. Now we will use our t-test instead of your file's complete script. T-test within inverted comma and sorry, t test dot info and run. It will show me structure of this data set. Copy the structure, press enter button, it will give you space and paste here. Know your script and its structure is in same box. Copy, open ChatGPT and write a message. I want to perform t-test and in Python. Also want to visualize. Please define here one sample t-test because no one sample t-test and visualize in plot and also define average value or reference value is 50 and run. It will give you script. Since your data set t-test look like this, you want to perform one sample t-test, visualize the results with a plot showing every score was reference line. Okay, here is a full Python script. I also, if you want to save this script, also write a message. Thanks. I also save this plot in PNG or PDF or any file format where you want to save. Okay, now copy the script, open Jupyter page, paste and run. Sorry, add a new script line, but it's again my previous result. It's not a script. Copy code and no paste here. Yes, no, there is a script. Click anywhere and press run button. It will show you a bar with central value or average value lines for one sample t-test. It is a bar plot. If you want to change box plot, line plot, you can also draw by writing a message to ChatGPT. Now, after running this script, our plot is saved in our working directory. Open working directory, here is the plot. Now you can copy and paste from here. You can drag and drop into WhatsApp group from your folder. Okay, please all participants perform one sample t-test and type done within Zoom chat. Please all participants confirm, have you done? If you have done, type done within Zoom chat. Now we want to perform work on our second file, second sheet. Now there is a question how to import second sheet from single file. So for this, we will write a message again, pd dot read underscore Excel bracket open and type your file name. Our file name is t test dot xls x inverted comma close and add comma here and type sheet underscore name equal sign again inverted comma and type your sheet name. You can check your sheet name from your data. In my data t-test sheet name is, here is sheet name independent t-test. You can copy the name from here. If you click on rename button, select all and copy. Control C for copy and paste here, Control V. Add closing bracket, sorry, inverted comma and closing bracket and run. It will show me second sheet. Now you can check. I change sheet name. Now second sheet appeared. I want to give a name to this script. Previous was for one sample t-test. Now it is two sample. So I want to give name to two underscore sample. and will run. It will save this data with name toSample. I just copy this word toSample for confirmation and run. It will show me toSample data. In this data, we have two groups, male and female, and we want to compare the score of male and female groups. Again, take its str, print, bracket open. Your file name is to underscore sample to underscore sample dot info, bracket open, bracket close, and bracket close, and run. It will show you the information of this data or structure of this data. Copy, paste. No, both things at same box. Again copy, open ChatGPT, paste here, and send message to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you a message. Perfect. Now you have your two sample data set that look like this. You want to run a two sample t-test, independent sample test, and visualize. Here is a complete Python script. Copy, open Jupyter page, add a new script line, and paste and run. Click anywhere and run. It will show you result for two sample t-test. One is for male and other is for female. It also show you p-value results, which is 0.01, which show significant difference between male and female score. Here is the ANOVA. Results are ANOVA summary. Okay, drag and drop this plot into group. Now next step is the paired sample t-test. So for this we need file for paired sample t-test. Again, copy the script which we have used to import our file. Copy the script, paste here, and no change name from independent to check your file name, or you can copy, rename, Control C, copy this name, open Jupyter page, and replace this name with the sheet name, add inverted comma before and after, and change its coding. Here is for toSample. You can add here paired and run. It will show you data for paired sample. Just for confirmation, type paired and run. It will show you data for paired sample t-test. Now you can check before and after. So in this way, you can import any sheet in Jupyter or Python. So in your original data set, maybe you have three or more than three sheets. So in this way, you can import each and every sheet one by one. Now next step is the, again take its str, open new script line, print, bracket, your file name is paired, P-A-R-A-D paired, dot info, bracket open, bracket close, and bracket close, and run. It will show you the script and its output. So here is the output, combine both things, script and its output in single copy again, and paste. Copy and ChatGPT, paste here and send message. It will give you script for paired sample t-test. Now copy this one, open Jupyter page, new script line, paste and run. It will show you paired t-test result before and after. Here is the average value before and after. Drag and drop into group. Okay, Rajab Hussain, please share your screen so that I can check your issues. And other participant, please know perform all three types of t-test with the help of AI and share your results within group. So our ANOVA is pending, so we will work on ANOVA in our next class. Please let me know where is error. Please let me know why you are running this line. It is not a script. Line number 129 is not a script. That's why it is giving you an error, because here you have combined two things, your script and your output of the script. Copy the script, copy this box, click anywhere and press Ctrl A. Okay, ignore this one or you can delete this one. There is a delete button on right side. Please delete. Here is the delete button. Click on delete. Yes. Okay, now come to last line. It is also not a complete script. You have not copied complete script. Come to ChatGPT. Copy your script again. Your script is not complete. First check script completed or not completed. Read ChatGPT. Your script is incomplete. Please check your ChatGPT, not Python. Open ChatGPT and scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, now copy this one. Open Jupyter page and paste here. Please also delete this error. Scroll up with delete the script. Click within the script after table. Yes, and select delete button. Okay, there is no delete button. I think you need to refresh your Jupyter page. Refresh. Refresh. Your PC, I think, is slow. Please close Jupyter page and then open from Home tab again. It's very slow. Yes, no, it's restart. Come to last line. Please scroll down and come to end of the script. I think there is too much data on your Jupyter page. Okay, scroll up. Delete this script. Please delete this one. Also delete above script. Above is the delete button. Yes. Delete. Okay, now paste your copied script here and run. It is showing you name df is not defined. No, come to your script and read first two lines where df is written. Okay. Please show me your chat GPT. Scroll up where you have write command to chat GPT. Scroll up. Yes, show me this command line which you have given to chat GPT. I want to perform one sample t-test in Python. I also want to visualize in plot average value refer is okay. Copy this one and paste a new line and send message. Paste a new line, new chat, and send. Now write a message. I need Python script. It will give you Python script. Roll down, yes, copy the script and after error add another line and paste here and run. Yes, here is the one sample t-test in the form of bar graph. Okay, so in the same way perform all other on all other files, import other files one by ones and draw plots like this. Okay, so in our next class, which will be tomorrow, we will work on ANOVA. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.